Hi there. A big thanks to you for being in the group and waiting anxiously, though there were no activities which were running. Firstly, let me tell you, this journey of stock market, maybe you would have landed here in the group by watching some of my reels, connecting with the thought process of whatever is being explained there, whether the reels or the long form videos, and landed in the group because you resonate with the thought process whatever was shared. I'm very happy and I welcome you to group. Today is a very important day as we reach almost 100 first members in our group as a community. So this brings to me in a kind of very joyful moment for me to add and go further. Though there are no activities for couple of days, last couple of days, the first webinar is going to be on 26th January on a Republic Day at 10:30 a.m. morning. So I would like you to be there to take part in the journey as we move ahead. So the first point would be the stock market journey. I would like to say that this journey of stock market was very interesting, very fascinating for me over last 13 plus years. Though I started with intraday and F&O, it did not take much time for me to understand that this is not a cup of my tea. Or this kind, other way around I can say, these were not investments at all. Investment is the one which gives you peace, or in my case it is like a worship, whichever the religion you might belong to. It's a kind of worship. You stay invested in a good companies, you invest in good companies and help them to move forward. Helping somebody to move forward in the journey, and in that process as a byproduct we also get benefited. So again, it is not any company. Maybe stock market is having 5 to 7,000 companies listed. Every company is not investable. Okay, now finding how the right company to invest and then stay invested. These are the process which we need to go through to find out these right companies. Now how do we do that? Yes, we're going to learn this. And I'm going to share a step-by-step process in the webinar which will be conducted on January 26th morning, 10:30 a.m. in the morning. The basic thing would be to identify those companies, whether you are from India or whether you are already staying outside the India. If you would like to take part in this particular rally of whatever these businesses. And yes, one more thing is that which next 1 or 2 decades, even more, even not only 2 decades, even the more number of years, it's going to be India, for India. The journey of incredible India has already started. Might be many of you would be knowing. And if you are the one who would like to take part in this journey and make a wealth for you and your family, this is the right place and the right time. Click the link in the given there and join this webinar, which is scheduled on this particular date of Jan 26th. And soon we will be taking it in a format of community format where every week we are going to have sessions and learn and move forward. It is going to be a hand-holding for each of you over there, for the many more years to come. It is not just one time buy or one time, kind of buy sell kind of a thing. It is going to be a hand-holding kind of many of you over there. And going to be very learning curve, initial of learning curve. Whether you are very new to stock market, definitely the answer, if you are in a mind that I am very new to stock market, is it for me? The answer is yes, it is for you. And because you have no financial background, no understanding of stock market investing, there is no problem. The whole the modules are divided and scheduled in such a way they are that going to be that you will be learning through one by one models and going through all the different understanding of stock markets, what is needed to take part into. And if you are already into stock market from last few years, and if you ask me, is it for me? Definitely the answer is yes. Maybe it will help you to refine, your process and understand the, whatever need to be updated, or understand the challenges what you are facing and get on to the move ahead in the journey. And if you are into already F&O and or say intraday, I would say definitely you should join. The reason is that the long-term investing is very interesting and much peaceful when it comes to F&O or intraday. Though SEBI report very clearly says 92% of people who invest in F&O are losing money, people still get into that and try all those things. Important. And in this webinar, I'm going to share you 3 secrets. Okay. First one would be how to find these companies, and second is when to buy the company, when to add, and when to sell. And third important thing is then going to be, I'm not going to reveal it now, I am going to reveal it during webinar itself. Okay, third secret, I am not revealing it now, let it be secret itself. I will be revealing it during my webinar, and it is going to be very interesting. Okay, so click the link in a description box, join the webinar, let's meet there and let's make most of it. Thank you so much.